Hey, I'm Adam, Quality Equipment, Compact Equipment Manager. Today we're showing off the 30P John Deere mini excavator. It's a decent sized machine in the compact line, 23 horsepower, 9-foot dig depth, 0 tail swing. It'll handle most of your everyday landscape jobs, plumbing jobs, get you to a good dig depth, and it's got plenty of power to do the work. It's backed by John Deere excellent warranty. You've got great service with Quality Equipment Mechanics, so anything you need for the construction market, just let us know. As you can see with the 30P, you've got excellent visibility. You've got a large operator station for comfort. You've got access to all of your panels. The operator station is large enough for taller guys. You have the foot controlled options for driving the machine to keep your hands free. Got a large track with easy clean out, comes with chain downs. And this is the best feature of all. It's a 0 tail swing, so you can work right up next to any building.